What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Air Jordan 5 Retro in the Raging Bull or Toro Bravo colorway. This pair dropped on Saturday, April 10th for a retail price of $190 US or $255 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is varsity red, black, and white. I want to give a huge thank you over to the Closet Inc. for hooking me up with this pair. The Closet Inc. is my go-to spot for Air Jordan Retros and Nike shoes, so if you're located in Canada, be sure to check them out. They're independently owned and operated right here in Southern Ontario, so I'll link their website, their Instagram, all that good stuff down below. So for those that don't know, this Raging Bull or Toro Bravo Air Jordan 5, it originally dropped back in 2009 as part of a 2-shoe defining moments pack with a 3M Air Jordan 5. So around this time, Jordan Brand was producing a ton of different 2-shoe packs, and notably in 2008 they released the Countdown packs, which consisted of 2 shoes with their model numbers adding up to the number 23. So for example, the Air Jordan 1 was paired up with the 22, the Jordan 5 with the 18, so on and so forth. The DMP 5 pack though released the following year in May, and while obviously it's personal preference which one you guys prefer, arguably this red suede one was the more popular of the two, and in my personal opinion, I always thought this one was the better one. So fast forward to 2021 and here we finally have the first retro of this model, and I'm really glad I'm able to add these to the collection after passing on that DMP 5 pack back in 2009. So first off, here's a quick look at the box, and if you guys can see, this box has this wood-like graphic found throughout, and it's a nod to the original DMP 5 box that featured a similar look. And then inside the box, another nice little added touch is the paper here also has that wood graphic on it as well. As for the shoes, so this is your classic Air Jordan 5 silhouette, but in this case, instead of your typical leather, the entire upper is constructed out of this red colored suede. So this suede, while it is a genuine suede, it has a little bit of a rough texture to it, and to be honest, it doesn't feel like it's the best quality. However, surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, we have another overlay of suede, and you can see the toe box shape is very nice, very sloped, and has a very tapered look to it, similar to the other Jordan 5s that has released in the past few years. Moving upwards, so the eyelets of the shoe, this is covered in this black colored TPU, and then on the midfoot of both sides of the shoe, we have your signature translucent netting. We have more red suede covering the back end of the sneaker, and then stitched on the lateral side only, we have the number 23 in red and black, which is something that the original version from 09 also had. And then embroidered in the center of the back heel, we have this black colored Jumpman logo. For the laces, they only come with one pair of laces, and they're a flat red colored lace. They intertwine through the signature lace lock, which is constructed out of this clear colored plastic and red. And then underneath this, the tongue is constructed out of that same netting that was found on the sides of the shoe. And then at the very top, this is covered in this reflective 3M material, and it has this black colored Jumpman embroidered in the center. On the back side of the tongue, this is lined in this black colored fabric, and we have this tag which has Air Jordan branding, which is stitched on in white and black. For the insoles, they actually give us a polyurethane insole, and it's lined in this black fabric at the top, and we have a Jumpman logo on the heel. So the upper of these Air Jordan 5s sits atop this full-length polyurethane foam midsole. For the most part, the midsole is painted in black, and we have this hit of exposed translucent rubber on the forefoot, and right above this, the shark tooth area of the midsole, this is painted in white, but the tips are painted in red as a nod to the bloody horns of a bull. And then underneath the heel, we have this cutout which reveals the Nike airsole unit that's found within the midsole, and this is there for added cushioning. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your outsole, which is constructed out of a black colored rubber. We have these hits of translucent icy blue rubber on both the forefoot and the bottom heel. We have this red Jumpman logo on the forefoot, along with Jordan branding running down the center. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Raging Bull Air Jordan 5s. For those wondering how these fit, so I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10, and overall they fit me decently well. From a length perspective, there's just about a finger's width between the top of the shoe and the top of my toe. So if you're someone that likes a really snug one-to-one fit, you can probably get away with going a half size down. But if you like a little bit more breathing room for your toes, then you can stick true to size. Next up, in terms of comfort, so the Jordan 5 in general, I feel like it's a pretty stiff feeling shoe. And while I feel like the polyurethane they use is a little bit softer and it's a bit more responsive than, for example, Jordan 5 Retros maybe 5-6 years ago, generally speaking though, this is definitely a shoe that I'm not going to be wearing for too many hours in a day, as it feels pretty stiff out of the box and there's not too much from a softness and step-in comfort perspective. However, even though the suedes had a bit of a scratchy feel, I think straight out of the box they mold pretty well to your foot, so I don't think there's going to be much break-in time required for these. Finally, in terms of the quality and overall craftsmanship on this pair, first off, the material quality was a little bit lacking. Like I mentioned earlier, the suedes they used, it felt pretty rough to the touch, and it didn't really feel like it was high quality. And I don't own a pair of the originals from '09, so unfortunately I can't compare these to the OGs, but for what they are, the quality wasn't the best. However, I felt like the craftsmanship was pretty good. I have no issues with my pair, and all in all, it just felt like a pretty solid, well-made shoe from Jordan Brand. With all that being said now, let's lace up these Raging Bull Jordan 5s and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. When you think of non-OG colorways of the Air Jordan 5 model, this one is arguably near the top. It's always going to be special to me because the original was released during a time when I was still fairly new in the sneaker game, and still with all the nostalgia put aside, I think you can't really go wrong with a primarily red colored Air Jordan. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Raging Bull or Toro Bravo Air Jordan 5. For those that tried to pick these up yesterday, were you guys able to, or did you take an L, or was this a straight pass for you? If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. Before I end this video, another huge thank you goes out to The Closet Inc. So for all my Canadian viewers out there, links are down below, be sure to check them out and show them some love. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.